Hi, welcome to episode 15. This week's episode, got skills. As I talk to hundreds of construction companies, I realize one thing that will continue to have a devastating effect on their business: the lack of skilled workers. Even before the pandemic hit, the construction industry was facing this problem. The construction industry as a whole has not really been attracting enough skilled workers to meet the growing demand. Then you combine that with the reduction of high school feeder programs, and we have a recipe for disaster. A recent industry survey reported that 75% of firms are looking to add new workers. Then a staggering 78% are struggling to find qualified employees. An astounding 82% are not expecting this to get any better within the next few years. To make things even worse, construction companies have an alarming 21% of the workers aged 55 or older. Further, considering just 9% of the workers are aged 24 or younger, this is not sustainable and something has to change. The rate at which older generation workers is retiring is higher than incoming younger generations. This means that the construction firms are going to continue to struggle unless they look for new ways to find employees to meet their demands. Hey, thanks for watching. Come back each week for new videos. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our educational content.